Hotspot.
Whoa, that is a big one. Let's crack it open.
Oh, that's heavy. Oh, gosh.
Wow. Wow. That was a clean cut.
Oh, goodness. Look at all these bees and honeycomb.
Where are you going? How old do you think this hive is?
6 months.
We're keeping our eye out for the queen because she may not be in here. She may be amongst all these bees over here. A lot of bees right there. Wow.
She was getting away, so I had to put up a roadblock.
She's long.
The bees are like, hey, what are you doing? Yeah, that is a booty that's made for laying eggs right there.
Rude.
Get away from Jeff.
She's so long.
That's so she can throb and then way down into the cells and lay eggs.